Okay, let's start with the features of organisms, chapter 2. Characteristics and classification of organisms. State the main feature used to place organisms into groups within the animal kingdom, limited to the main groups of vertebrates, mammals, reptiles, amphibians, fish. The main groups of arthropod, myriapod, insect, arachnids, and crustaceans. So we have to look them one by one. Main feature used to place all the organisms into one of the five kingdoms: animal, plants, fungi, prokaryotes, and protists. So as you know, the species are placed according to their features into kingdoms. There are five kingdoms, which are animals, plants, fungi, prokaryotes, then protists, and here we have another kingdom. This is called fungi. Fungi first placed with the plants, but due to their different features which are not resemble with plants, they are placed to different kingdom or a separate kingdom. They don't make their own food. They have saprophytic mode of nutrition. So, and they are 100 or above more different species of fungi, more than 100. Okay. So we place them in a different kingdom. But when we discuss about fungi, here we take look at the features of the fungi. You can see fungi in your gardens in rainy season as mushrooms. This is mushroom. Okay. Some of these are edible, some are non-edible. You can understand or know about the common bread mold. If the bread is outside the fridge for some days or in the damp days, it can develop fungi or bread mold, common bread mold, which is which has somewhat this type of structure. Okay. This is sporangium, which produces spores. Then it is sprangiophore. And then these are hyphae, from which they are penetrate. Okay, हम इसका देख लेते हैं. इनकी characteristics देख लेते हैं. They are multicellular. Their cells have nuclei. They have cell walls not made of cellulose, no chlorophyll, saprophytic and parasitic mode of nutrition. They don't make their own food. They cause diseases like ringworm and athlete foot. They also cause food decay, and they also help in decomposition. So these are the functions of the features of fungi. Next, we have to discuss about protists. Examples are amoeba, paramecium, and plasmodium. If you know about amoeba, it is an irregular shape. It can divide by binary fission. One amoeba got divided into two the same organism. They mostly live in water. Paramecium, this is the structure of a paramecium, and also plasmodium is somewhat like that. Their characteristics are most are unicellular, but some are multicellular. They have nucleus, some may have cell wall and chloroplast. They can photosynthesize, and some feed on organic substances made by other living organisms. Then we have prokaryotes. Examples are bacteria and blue-green algae. They are unicellular. They have cell wall, cytoplasm, but no nucleus and mitochondria. Bacteria से आप जो है वो बैक्टीरियल सेल का फंक्शन आप देख चुके हुए हैं in first chapter. So here I have draw some cell structures. Bacteria, somewhat like bacteria. Feature of organisms. Okay, so first we discuss about the features of phylum vertebrate. Animals are kingdom Animalia are divided into phylum Vertebrata, phylum Invertebrata, and then another is phylum Arthropods, ठीक है, which is are insects, which is also included in vertebrates. So phylum vertebrates में आपके पास आ जाते हैं fish, reptiles, amphibian, birds, mammals, and phylum arthropods में आ जाते हैं आपके पास insects, annelids, mollusks, and nematodes. These are also invertebrates. Phylum vertebrates. Vertebrates are animals which have a backbone which support from along the length of the body and to the skeleton. It's a road type running along the length of the body, and it also has a skeleton. First we have fish. These are live in water except for one or two like mud skippers which can spend short period of time breathing air. Characteristics are vertebrates with scaly skin, gills to breath, have fins, lay eggs without shells in water. Then we have amphibians, commonly known frog, toads, and salamanders. Most adult amphibians live on land. They always go back to water to lay eggs. Their larvae have gills to breathe. If you know about the metamorphosis of frog, it lay eggs, then it turned into larva. Okay. Larva has 4 legs and then it is made into a frog, adult frog. This is the metamorphosis of frog. Okay. Vertebrates with smooth, moist skin. Adults usually live on land, so have lungs. Larvae live in water, so have gills. Larvae have gills. Lay eggs without shell in water. Examples are frog, toads, and salamanders. Next, we have class reptiles. Reptiles are lived on land. They do not go to water to breed because their eggs have a waterproof shell which stop them drying out. So their eggs have waterproof shell, so they don't need to go back to water to breed. Their characteristics are dry, thick scales on skin, as you hear that snake. It is a snake. If you remember lizard in your house, okay, so it is look like this in every wall and corner in summers. Lay eggs with rubbery shells. Examples are crocodile, lizards, snakes, turtles, and tortoise. All are familiar. Then we have birds, class birds. The birds, like reptile, lay eggs with waterproof shells. Bird distinguished character is their feathers. Their forelimbs become wings. Characteristics are skin covered with feathers, have 2 legs and 2 wings instead of 4 limbs, lay eggs with hard shell on land, they have a beak, they are endothermic, their heart has 4 chambers, sparrows, crows, parrots, eagles, etc. So many birds you can see in the sky. Features of organism. Then is the class mammals, which humans are also belong. This is the group that human belongs to. They have hairs, feed their young ones with milk, having external ears or pinnas. These are the external ears or pinnas. Characteristics are vertebrates with hairs, have a placenta, young feed on milk with mammary glands, they are endothermic, have a diaphragm, heart has 4 chambers, have different types of teeth. Endothermic कह सकते हैं, we call them We call them warm-blooded. Exothermic are cold-blooded animals, as we see in the birds. They are cold-blooded, and mammals are endothermic. They are warm-blooded animals. Then we have they have their heart has four chambers, have different types of teeth, incisors, canines, molar and premolars. Then we have to look at invertebrates. Invertebrate do not possess a backbone. One of the morphological characteristics used to classify invertebrates is whether they have legs or not. All invertebrates with jointed legs are part of arthropods. So they have jointed legs. Phylum Arthropods. Arthropods are animals with jointed legs but no backbone. They are a very successful group because they have a waterproof exoskeleton that has allowed them to live on dry land. You can see so many insects around you, ants and cockroaches and beetles and bees, and these are all insects. Several pairs of jointed legs, exoskeleton. They are classified further into following groups: insects, crustaceans, arachnids, and myriapods. Okay, now we have to describe about insects. About 1 million species. Insects are found in 1 million species of arthropods are discovered, of which most are insects. They are very successful group of animals due to their exoskeleton and trachea, which are very good at stopping water from evaporating from the insect bodies. So they can also live in dry places. They are mainly terrestrials, land living. Arthropods with three pairs of jointed legs. Their characteristics: body divided into three parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. You can see in the picture, you can see the head, then thorax, then abdomen. These are the jointed legs. These are the antennas. Breathing through trachea, have one pair of antennae. Then we have myriapods. Centipedes and millipedes are included in myriapods. Body consists of many segments, as you can see. Centipede. Each segment has jointed legs. They have jointed legs, one pair of antennae. This is the antenna. That's okay. We have to finish it here. You can also listen my lectures about characteristics and classification of autism in other videos. Kindly like and subscribe my channels. Thank you.